Good afternoon, one and all. Present out here. I, Anupam Shrama of Class 8 and member of Sapphire House, is here to recite a short poem by Dickens. Because I could not stop for the death, he kindly stopped for me. The carriage held with just ourselves and immortality. We passed the school where children strove the recess in the ring. We passed the fields of gazing grain. We passed the setting sun, or rather, he passed us. The dews dew, quivering and chill, for only Gosama my gun, my tippet on the dew. We paused before a house that seemed the swelling of a ground. The roof was scarcely visible, the cornices in the ground. Since then, its centuries and yet feels shorter than the days I first saw much the horse's head way towards eternity. Thank you.